Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, and wanted to come to you, cut this quick video. Was here at my desk doing some work, and I had an idea for a video, and I entitled this video that making money online is easy. Making money online is easy, and I cut this video because a lot of people come online and they get overwhelmed with all the different things, having a blog, and once you have a blog, maybe doing webinars and maybe doing all this stuff. But really, making money online is easy if you follow just the basics. The basics of making money online. And this is the basics of making money online. First is you got to have a website. You got to have a website. You got to have a website that you can sell stuff on. So whether it be your own website that you've made up, or if you do affiliate marketing, if you're an affiliate marketer and someone gives you a website where you can, and with a link that you can sell stuff. So you got to have that. Second thing is that you got to drive traffic, or you got to have visitors come to that website. So you got to have people that are interested in what you have to offer come to that website, and they come to your website and they can become a lead. They can leave their information and they can possibly buy what you have to offer. And thirdly, what you need to do is that you need to get the most best conversions. And when I say conversions, I mean conversions in the form of leads and sales. So know that people that may come to your website may not buy right away, but you have to do what you can do to make sure that you get the most maximum conversion of people buying your stuff. So one, a website, it can be one you made up, or one that's an affiliate of someone else's website, and they just give you a link to the website. That's probably the easiest way to do it. I would recommend that. Don't try to build your own website because you'll get confused or you get overwhelmed with trying to do all that stuff. But if you want to come in here, you can be new to the internet, and if you just focus on those three things, having a website, driving quality traffic to that website, and then getting the best conversions possible you can, which means you're getting leads, you're getting people interested, leaving their information, and those leads are converting into sales. That's the only thing that you should be concerned about if you come online, if you're new. The other stuff you can learn along the way. So that's why I say that making money online is easy, because if you focus on those 1, 2, 3 things, you will make money online and you will be successful. I can't guarantee it because I don't know what you're going to do. But just focus on those 3 things. Get a website. Join an affiliate program. If you don't know what to join, I got a link at the bottom with some programs that you can join that I highly recommend. If you don't know what to do for traffic, I got some videos, some links at the bottom. Look at the bottom of this page. You will find recommended programs. So yes, making money online is easy. God bless you guys. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, if you got value from this video, be sure to like it. Be sure to share it. Also, click that little bell there to subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I put out. So again, share the love. Someone needs to hear this. Making money online is easy. It's not hard. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video.